How to upload HD video on TikTok without losing quality. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can upload HD video on TikTok without losing its quality. So let's get started. The first thing you might want to do is open up your TikTok. Now make sure that your TikTok is up to date to its latest version. So after you open up your TikTok, head over to your profile or tap on the plus icon to create a post. I will be using a draft for this, so yeah, let's begin. So after you make a post or when you're editing for it, you will get to this page. Now tap on next and now you are on the final phase where you add hashtags, mentions and a description. So after you're on this page, you will see many options. Tap on more options here. And after you tap on more options, you should see an option that says allow high quality uploads. Make sure that you've turned this on. And after you've turned this on, you will be able to upload higher quality, but it will take a longer time to process. So simply turn this on and then you can tap on post. Now after doing that, what you can do is I'll just go back and save this to my draft again. And the next thing that you can do is head over to the hamburger icon on the top right, tap on settings and privacy, scroll down, and under cache and cellular, you will find an option called data saver. Tap on it and make sure that you have turned this off. What this does is that to reduce your data consumption, it will just make the resolution of a video just a bit low, and that will affect your video quality. So make sure you do that. And yeah, that is how you upload high quality videos on TikTok. Thanks for watching. That is all for the video. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.